special relationship which the Indian administration claimed to have had with President Trump doesn't exist. Because after the first 25%, instead of it coming down, it's only gone up, which means the relationship has broken down. And I do not know what is the motive of President Trump. But obviously, there is no formal relationship. Neither there seems to be any kind of back channeling, which is easing things up between India and America. So the government, in my opinion, must take Parliament into confidence and give a categorical statement on how they see things, and what is going to be the effect on the Indian economy, and how they are going to counter it. If they are not in a position to take Parliament into confidence, they must definitely call for an all-party meeting where they take the leadership of all political parties into confidence. See, this is not a wholesome statement. This is only talking about certain sectors. This is a statement made in an event for Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. But I think what about the textile sector? What about the pharma sector? So there must be a wholesome statement from the government. While he's saying he will protect these interests, what about the other sectors? So there must be a wholesome statement, or if a Parliament cannot be taken into confidence, they must call for an all-party meeting.